Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this video speaks to what the Niger Delta oil money has bought Malam Buhari and his family. So that is the way I am introducing this video, and at the end of the video you can come and tell me how you have understood this introduction. So with that guys, I bring you this. I can't speak Hausa fluently. This is Zahra Buhari saying this. So that's the headline. I cannot speak Hausa fluently, and this comment is attributed to the daughter of Malam Buhari, a girl called Zahra. So now let's see what the Malamese daughter has to say. A daughter of President Muhammadu Buhari, Zahra, on Friday stunned guests at a BBC Hausa event when she revealed that she is unable to speak fluently in Hausa, her father's language. The event was to unveil winners of a literary contest organized by the broadcast station. Mr. Buhari is a Hausa man from Daura, an important Hausa city in Katsina. Zahra's mother, Aisha, is, however, a Fulani from Adamawa. I'll make you laugh. Zahra, who is married to businessman Ahmed Indimi, said when asked to make a comment at the ceremony officiated in Hausa. She said she and her siblings rarely communicate in the language. Every day my father would correct my Hausa when I converse with him, she said in Hausa amidst laughter. She said they usually communicate in Ingwisa, a colloquial term for mixing English and Hausa in a conversation. She attributed her inability to speak good Hausa to attending schools with children of white people. The president's daughter later told interviewers off stage that they mostly speak in her mother's native Fulfade language at home. So now this is the daughter of Malam Buhari making jest and making light of the fact that she's unable to communicate in any real significant Nigerian language. And as I started with, this is what the Niger Delta oil money has bought the Malam Buhari family. Of course, his daughter would not be able to speak in any known Nigerian language. How would she? This is a girl that grew up in England. This is, to all effects and purposes, an English girl. She only just has Nigerian parents, and she's heard rumors that her father is the president of some dumb people, 200 million of them, who is holding ransom, and this is really all she knows. She has said it in her own words, that her own people that she relates with are the children of Oyibo people. So the Oyibo people don't speak Hausa, and the Oyibo people don't speak Yoruba. So how would you then expect this girl to have any understanding of any Nigerian language? So in effect, this is what the Niger Delta oil money has bought Malam Buhari and his family. Conversations in the comment section. The president's daughter cannot speak a single Nigerian language. What says you? But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this girl's inability to communicate effectively in the Nigerian language in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section. But here I say peace.